with another video, man. Hey, it's Luke Kang, man, from Luke Kang's Kicks, and we back with another unboxing, all right? Before we get into this video, I just need y'all to do me one favor, one time for the one time. Hit that button for your boy, all right? Man, I appreciate all of y'all for coming and checking me out. You know what I'm saying? So look, we are back with another one, all right? Another one, all right? Here we go, man. Let's get these things open, man. Y'all know how I do it. Cutters is out, you know? Bam. Let's get it open. It's better late than never. All right? Y'all know I love to do this, man. Y'all know how I feel about my unboxing videos, man. Let's get these things out, get them open, see what they are. Let's go. Ooh, ooh, bam. Y'all know this box. When you all see this box, y'all know what these are, all right? Air Jordan Retro 12 Dark Concords. All right, let's read the style number and the color code. We're going to get these things open right here, all right? We got black, dark, Concord, and black. CT A013005. Let's get that close in on the focus. Right there, just like that. Bam. Hey, let's get them open, man. Let's see what they looking like in hand, in person. Y'all know I needed to have these. Had to have these, all right? Throw that to the side. Ooh. Woo! Hey. Okay. Hey, these look so much better in hand than they do on the pictures, man. Look at that. This is like a metallic on there. These is nice. I'm really feeling how they did this. Like, look at that, man. I know I'm late. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little late on these, but man, come on now. Man, such a hard shoe though, all right? If y'all don't know, man, 12s, they're extremely comfortable. Extremely comfortable. All right, so what we got on the shoe right here? We got some suede. We got leather right here. 12s is so dope. Metallic on the eyelids right here, all right? Concord purple here on the back pull tab. 23 right here. All these 12s got zoom air in it, all right? You can see the bottom. You see the carbon fiber shank on it. Y'all know what time it is, all right? Right here, we got Jordan all the way down, spelt out, the word Jordan. Man, herringbone traction on it, on the bottom. Just like, come on, man. Like, man, yes. Yes, all right? Release date on these was October 23rd, 2020. Now, they have like released something like this before. You know what I'm saying? But it was in early 2000s, and it was a PE. And it was Mike Bibby. It was Mike Bibby that played for the Sacramento Kings. But it was a low. And I'm not feeling 12s in a low, man. I had the taxis in the lows. I just don't like 12 lows, you know. I'd rather have a regular high, you know, the mid, just the original cut of the 12s. Like in a low, I'm not really feeling it. But hey, rock what you like. You know, that's the whole name of the game. That's what we do up over here. We buy, we sell what we like, you know, we do what we want to. Man, such a dope shoe. The 12s is another one of those silhouettes that I just rock with. Like I cannot not rock with the 12s, man. Like, look at that. See how it's hitting on the light. I know y'all can see it right there. No, y'all see that. We got Jumpman written out right here. All right. Very dope shoe, man. Very dope shoe. So until next review, I just need y'all to do me that one favor, all right? Hit that button for your boy. Hit that like button, all right? Come pull up. Come subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Why wouldn't you want to? All right? I'm coming. I'm always dropping, all right? I'm always giving y'all reviews, and I'm always giving y'all some knowledge. I'm always giving y'all some clips, all right? Until next time, y'all take care. Y'all hit that button for your boy, all right? See y'all next video. I'm out.